Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 6. A country without a spinning wheel. After the witch vanished, morning came. After the witch vanished, morning came. But a heavy feeling remained in the castle. But a heavy feeling remained in the castle. The king thought through the whole night. The king thought through the whole night. The queen could not sleep. The queen could not sleep. The princess slept quietly. The princess slept quietly. Her small chest moved up and down. Her small chest moved up and down. The king stood by the window. The king stood by the window. I must protect the kingdom. I must protect the kingdom. I must protect my daughter. I must protect my daughter. The king called his servants. The king called his servants. People gathered in the great hall. People gathered in the great hall. The ministers stood in a line. The ministers stood in a line. The soldiers waited quietly. The soldiers waited quietly. The king sat in the high seat. The king sat in the high seat. The queen was by his side. The queen was by his side. The king spoke in a strong voice. The king spoke in a strong voice. Gather every spinning wheel in the land. Gather every spinning wheel in the land. Not one must remain. Not one must remain. The people began to murmur. The people began to murmur. But no one went against him. But no one went against him. The servants ran out. The servants ran out. Messengers headed to the town. Messengers headed to the town. Bells were rung through the whole town. Bells were rung through the whole town. A new order was announced. A new order was announced. The people listened in surprise. The people listened in surprise. Please bring out your spinning wheel. Please bring out your spinning wheel. The old people let out a sigh. The old people let out a sigh. Mothers looked at each other. Mothers looked at each other. Because they could no longer make thread. Because they could no longer make thread. Even so, everyone obeyed. Even so, everyone obeyed. Soldiers went around the houses. Soldiers went around the houses. Old spinning wheels were carried. Old spinning wheels were carried. They were piled like a mountain in the square. They were piled like a mountain in the square. The wooden wheels creaked. The wooden wheels creaked. The king watched from the window. The king watched from the window. His heart did not feel light. His heart did not feel light. The queen held the princess. The queen held the princess. Please let her be safe. Please let her be safe. At night, fires were lit. At night, fires were lit. It was to burn the gathered spinning wheels. It was to burn the gathered spinning wheels. Red flames rose high. Red flames rose high. The people watched in silence. The people watched in silence. Smoke drifted into the sky. Smoke drifted into the sky. The king closed his eyes. The king closed his eyes. Can this stop the curse? Can this stop the curse? No one had an answer. No one had an answer. The search continued the next day. The search continued the next day. Spinning wheels disappeared from the whole kingdom. Spinning wheels disappeared from the whole kingdom. The king still could not feel safe. The king still could not feel safe. Only time moved quietly. Only time moved quietly. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.